Today's little project is to unclog the condensate drain on this air conditioner. It's all gunked up. Needs a pretty good cleaning as well. So like with all of these, seems like there's 500,000 screws to get out. And down in there is the drain. So I'll have to see if I can stick something up there and get the gunk out of it. Stuck this piece of wire through that hole. And that's where the water drains out. So let's see if it unclogged it. Yep, you can see the water pouring right out. It was plugged up, and when it plugs up, it fills up in the front and leaks inside. So I'm going to continue cleaning this thing up and putting it back together. Nice and clean. Well, reasonably clean. To dry it out, oil the motor, put it back together. Okay, it's all back together. Cleaned it up. Straightened some of these fins that were bent. I use this magnet to help organize the screws because there's different types, and there's a bunch of them. I cleaned out the coils as well. There's a lot of dirt in the coils. So I'll fire this thing up and see what happens here. .37 watts, fan low. Fan high. Compressor just starting. Let it build up some pressure. Okay, it's been running for several minutes, and the wattage has gone up to almost 500, 4.33 amps. Nice and cold. Okay, this project is done.